Hello friends, welcome to Mitahara Kitchen. With a bunch of simple ingredients in your kitchen, today I am going to show you how to make delicious Puran Poli in less than 1 hour. Puran Poli is a sweet flat bread where the puran is stuffed inside the dough and rolled to form a thin flat bread. It is then cooked on a hot pan with generous amount of ghee until both sides are cooked with golden brown spots. Puran is a sweet filling made with chana dal, grated coconut, jaggery and cardamom. Filter the dal water with a strainer. Make sure that you take out excess water. Add the strained dal in a pan along with 1 cup of jaggery and grated coconut. This mixture needs to be mashed well and cooked for at least 12 to 15 minutes until it is fully dried. As the jaggery melts, the mixture has more liquid than before and therefore starts to get sticky at the bottom. So the key is low flame and constant stirring. Slowly the mixture will start thickening again. When done, cool the mixture for 20 to 30 minutes. Once the dal and jaggery mixture is completely dried, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The salt will create just the right balance of sweet in this mixture. If you are short of time, you can make puran the previous day and refrigerate and stuff it inside the poli the next day to make puran polis. Poli is a flat bread usually made with all-purpose flour, rose water and saffron strands. You can either use all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour or combination of both in equal amounts. I like to add ghee, rose water and saffron strands, which gives delicious flavor to the puran poli. Holi is a celebration of onset of spring weather, which symbolizes new life. During such periods of seasonal transition, the human immune system is believed to weaken. So popular Holi must-haves are often items that help cool the body and improve gut health in general. Now, take small portions from the dough and shape them in the form of round balls. Press one of the ball between the palm of your hand and in the center add the puran filling. Close the dough and roll out the poli. Repeat the same step with the entire dough. Place a pan over medium flame and place a rolled out poli on it. Let it cook and spread a little ghee on top side. Once the lower side is cooked, flip the poli and cook the other side as well. Make sure it turns golden brown in color. Repeat this with all the rolled out polis. Once done, place them on a plate and serve these hot. Holi falls usually around the time when wheat, chickpeas and sugarcane are harvested in India, the three prime ingredients that go into Puran Poli. It makes sense that newly harvested crops would make for ritualistic offerings and celebratory meals of the season. Although Puran Poli is a traditional Holi dish, we can prepare this dish for ritualistic offering or any other occasions, or simply relish it as a dessert. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.